What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have started rolling out March SOTA update for almost all the OnePlus smartphones. Currently OnePlus 11 have received, but sadly this time OnePlus did not add much of changes. But do not worry guys, I'll provide you all the changes what other flagship devices are getting with the SOTA update, or you consider OxygenOS 16.0.5. And we'll also tell you how to get the frosted glass design in almost all the OnePlus smartphones with a simple step. So here I have my device which is OnePlus 11. On this device I've received the SOTA update. Currently the OxygenOS version is 16.0.3.500. But if you take a look at the SOTA version, it is P02. Tapping on view update notes, you can see there are two changes which they have mentioned with this latest SOTA update. Other devices like OnePlus 15 series, they also got the updated clock which gives you option to add multiple timers. So don't worry, I'll tell you how you can do that on this device also, I mean your other OnePlus smartphones. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. First let's talk about the changes what they have mentioned. Then I'll tell you how to get other things like features in the clock, frosted glass design, and few more changes in the gallery application. So the first change is related to content portal, which now supports cloned applications. So first of all, let me clone one application. So I'll clone Telegram. Once done, now they're talking about sharing the files in cloned application. So here I have a file, I'll long press on it, scroll towards the bottom side, you can see we have the option, we get that glowing effect of content portal. If I tap here and if I scroll towards the right hand side, you'll see that Telegram cloned application also now appears here in the content portal, which was not possible before. So this is the first change. After that, they're talking about OnePlus Share, which says add the automatically open receive file switch, which lets you choose whether to automatically open shared file upon recipient. So this can be found here by going to settings, device connect, and if you scroll down, going inside the option of iPhone or PC, here you can see we have an option called automatically open received files. So once this thing is enabled, the file which you are sharing from the iPhone will automatically open. Here I have a video recording of that, I mean the screen recording. So first we turned off this feature because once you install the update, it automatically gets enabled. So once it is turned off, you saw I received a file and I'm getting two options. One is OK, or second one is view that particular file. File did not open automatically. And after that I turned it on, and later again I shared a file. I just had to accept the file, and once the transfer is completed, the file automatically got opened. It doesn't matter whether it's an image or video. And after that, they say they have improved the system stability. Basically, when it comes to SOTA updates, we don't see much of changes in the system. SOTA update generally updates the OnePlus stock applications. Now let's move on to the next changes which are related to clock. So in the clock, I'll provide you the APK files in the description below. Just download and update the stock applications. In our case, first we have updated the clock application. When you go to the timer section, tapping on any of the timer, and once you start that particular timer, you'll get another option to add multiple timers. So tapping on add timer, you can select any other timer, and this is how it will appear. I did not see any kind of restrictions, or you can say limitations, while adding the timers. And if you want to delete all the timers at once, you can long press on any of the timer, or you can tap on these three dots, tap on edit and select the files, and later on delete them. So this is another change. Now next, moving on to the gallery changes. So you need to again update the application. Link of that can be found in the description below. Now let's open up gallery. After updating, you'll find only one change. That's related to video playback. So here you can see now you have a progress bar which looks something like this, and towards the left hand side we have a play and pause button. Along with that, towards the right hand side you have option to enable or disable audio, and there's a text called speed. Tapping on it, you'll be able to directly adjust the speed of that particular video from the main screen itself. And after you update the gallery, you'll also see slight changes in the bottom options, where you have a pill which consists of favorite, edit, and delete option. Info and share option is towards the left and right side. So these are the changes what you'll notice in the gallery application after updating. Now comes to the another change which will bring you frosted glass design with that slight glow effect. So for that also, there's an application, you can install it on your device, and once you install that application is Wallpaper and Styles. Version is 16.0.12. So you can download this application. I'll provide the direct links in the description below. You just have to update that particular application and you're good to go. Once you have done that, if you go to more section, tapping on texture blur, you'll see this new option called contour glow, which says the home screen, lock screen, quick settings, and other system interfaces features a richer, more refined edge lightning effect. And if this is disabled, this is how the widgets will look. And once it's enabled, you have that slightly more transparency along with a glow effect around the corners. And after you install this thing, later on you can see towards the bottom side, we do have a slight transparency in the search icon also. If I disable that thing and show you guys, this is how the search icon will look by default. But once after enabling it, it gives a premium feel. On OnePlus 11, we never used to see much of transparency in the gallery application. But after enabling this, you'll see slight transparency here also. And the same thing goes here on the widgets of lock screen, where you can see that slight glow effect around the widgets even on the lock screen. So guys, this way you can get all the changes what other OnePlus devices have got with the OxygenOS 16.0.5 update. You just need to install these 3 applications and you're good to go. But avoid installing them on OxygenOS 15. Make sure you are running OxygenOS 16.0.3 or above. And if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.